clean up all that stuff after.
Like all the stuff that floats away.
Yeah. Because Uncle Terry and Auntie Ness, they stay up like till 3 a.m. picking everything up. They have to.
I wonder if it's a kind of like a competition thing. Like like there's different people setting off.
Maybe.
Because like they're all like different and stuff.
These are like better than Winkler's. Although I kind of agree.
What do you say?
I said don't say that. Kidding.
Fireworks is just like.
These are even better than Uncle Terry's, which is surprising. Oh, I don't like those. Big one.
Sad.
I don't like those. Those are boring. Is this mine? Oh,
They are.
that's so nice. So cute. That one didn't work. Oh, that one's cool. That's a heart. That's a heart. That's hearts. I like those big ones. Those. If we want to go back to the then we can, because there's lots of room in the van. Okay. Doesn't matter. Yeah. this will be the finale.
Bang! Oh yeah. Yeah, they're probably in their barns. People are walking.
There's still fireflies all over.
They're done, guys.
I don't know. I'm waiting for them to say something.